Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the eBay business, and we are back in the YouTube slash eBay cave. I'm debating just renaming it the YouTube cave because I have some big plans on what I want to do with this space in terms of making a more creative background for recording purposes. Like I might have a tripod set up right here, and then just have like the whole background here be lit up somehow with a bunch of different things. That thing might stay, who knows. Maybe we'll even add in that one over here. We'll see what we do with this space, but there's going to be a lot of different opportunities as we move on with the YouTube channel, what we're going to be doing with different backgrounds. So we have a bunch of ideas planned. I really do like the way that this kind of looks with this particular background. I mean, I have a lot of junk right here that I want to get rid of, so definitely going to be revamping the space and just going to show you guys real quick once again what it looks like before I get started. So this is the before. We're definitely going to be moving some stuff around. Gotta see if I could be installing some insulation there just to make it more comfortable during the winter and obviously summer months. I think I might be able to install some sort of AC unit over there, or maybe one of these windows. I'm not too sure which one I'll use yet, but we'll see. So today we were able to sell a pair. Man, that is loud. What is going on out there? Not able to see the plane that's making all that noise, but there definitely is one, obviously. So let's grab the thing that we sold today. We sold something on my wife's account. So let's see if we can find the exact right one here. I think it was this one. I do believe. So it was another pair of LuLaRoe leggings. I think that's the one, but just gonna have to confirm after I take a look at her profile again, because I don't have her profile on my phone. So we're gonna have to wait till she comes back. But if that is the right one, then obviously it's gonna be displaying on the screen. But yeah, we sold this one for I think about $5.99 with the buyer paying shipping. Another thing I definitely want to do is organize this room a lot better in terms of boxes, what boxes I actually use more frequently than others. Going to be stepping up my game a lot in the year of 2020. All right, so it is the next day, and I was actually wrong about the leggings that I picked up yesterday. Those were the wrong ones, but I eventually switched them out, and we got the right ones shipped to the customer. So today we sold another item here, so let's grab it real quick. All right, so we're gonna go over to the video game station. It's been a little bit since we were actually able to sell a game here, so let's see what we got going on still in this box. I still need to list that Nintendo DS. I'm not sure what that is doing still inside there. There we go. So today we sold this Wii game, Super Mario Brothers on the Wii, and we're just gonna throw it in one of these bubble mailers and we're gonna send it on its way. Now these are pretty easy to ship. That's why I love selling video games. You just throw it in a bubble mailer and bada bing bada boom. So in an effort to keep things a little bit fresh and exciting, I'm going to be increasing the production quality of these vlogs. Just going to be trying a bunch of different camera angles to see if they work. I'm going to be putting forth a lot more effort into providing B-roll in future videos, and like I said, really doubling down on the content that works on this channel. So if you like these eBay videos, hit that like button and I'll be sure to produce more eBay videos. Ultimately, I decided to focus on what works on this particular YouTube channel, in addition to making a review every now and then, because those do pretty well at this point, because my most recent review had about 20,000 views at this point. So really happy with the way that turned out. So going to be making more videos regarding reviews of different products. But I also really like reselling on eBay, so that's why I'm going to be continuing this series on this channel. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.